In this lesson, we will watch a video about paper towels. This unit is about saving water. It's also about saving the environment. Let's read from A. Think critically. Predict. Predict means, what do you think will happen? Or, what do you think is true? Read the title and the information about the TED speaker. What do you think the talk will be about? Now, TED speaker. TED is an application and a website where many, many thousands of speakers speak to large audiences mostly. What do you think this TED Talk will be about? Well, I think it will be about paper towels and how to use a paper towel. This man's name is Joe Smith. He is a lawyer and a political advocate. Joe Smith is a lawyer who is also active in Oregon State and U.S. national politics. He volunteers his time to help many nonprofit organizations. In his professional life and volunteer activities, he has worked on issues he cares about to improve life for people in his community. Joe Smith's idea is worth spreading. And that idea worth spreading is that there are very simple steps we can take to reduce our environmental impact, starting with a smarter way to use paper towels. Let's look at B, communicate. This says, think about your answers to the following questions. We cannot share our answers with a partner because we are not in class. But I would like to speak out loud and think out loud as we look at these questions. Number 1, where do you usually use paper towels? Well, I usually use paper towels in my kitchen at home. On average, how many paper towels do you use to dry your hands? I usually use 2 or 3 paper towels to dry my hands. Number 3, is there a, quote, right way and a, quote, wrong way to use a paper towel? Well, I think there's a wrong way because if you use too many, it's bad for the environment. So the right way is to use as few as possible. Number 4, why should we think about how we use paper towels? Well, let's see. First of all, if I don't use lots of paper towels, I don't have to buy paper towels as often, so I save money. And next, if I use fewer paper towels, that means I am throwing fewer paper towels in the garbage, and that is better for our environment. Let's move on to the next page. Page 13. Exercise C, vocabulary. The sentences below will help you learn words in the edited TED Talk. Read and listen to the sentences. Choose the meaning of each word in bold. Let's listen.
Part 2, page 13. Exercise C. Vocabulary. 1,
I used a calculator to add the long list of figures.
2,
Don't throw your paper in the trash. Recycle it instead.
3,
Our gas bill is huge. We need to reduce the amount of energy we use each month.
4,
When the paper towel comes out of an automatic machine, you need to tear it off before you can use it.
5,
Please take the rug outside and shake it to remove the dust.
6,
After I do my laundry, I fold my clothes and put them in the drawer.
7,
I think the smartphone is the most amazing invention of the 21st century.
8,
I waved to my friend in the parking lot, but she didn't see me.
9,
After he washed his hands, Bob dried them with a paper towel from the dispenser on the wall.
10,
The medical tests prove that my uncle did not have cancer.
Here are questions 6 through 10, or items 6 through 10. For this activity, please choose which of these answers is correct. What does figures mean? Does it mean names, shapes, or numbers? Good luck.